Up next on Tricked Out, we unchain this Dodge SRT4. We'll pull out the wimpy factory exhaust system and replace it with a high-flow stainless steel unit. Plus, we'll take a look at some other goodies that will keep this Dodge ahead of the pack. We'll show you the results you can expect and what it takes to do it yourself. So don't go anywhere. It's Tricked Out. This Mitsubishi has got it going on. It has everything it needs to be a show winner. Everything except big brakes. We'll install big brakes, show you how to set them up, and install fresh new wheels and tires. Hang on to your seat. It's Tricked Out. Coming up on Tricked Out, we'll dress up this Mitsubishi convertible. We'll make diamond plate aluminum floor mats that rock, finish them off with accent lights, and show you what it takes to do it yourself. Hang on to your seat. It's Tricked Out. Hi. Up next on Tricked Out, we upgrade a Honda Accord with high-tech lighting. We're adding HID headlights and LEDs in the back. We'll show you what it takes and how to do it yourself. So don't go anywhere. It's Tricked Out. Hi, I'm Andrew Tatolis. Up next on Tricked Out, a Toyota Celica with a high-tech exterior and a shabby speaker box gets a custom acrylic subwoofer enclosure. We'll show you what it takes and how to do it yourself. So don't go anywhere. It's Tricked Out.